CactusCon 14, let's wrap it up. Thank you so much for being here. It is always kind of a miracle to get to the end and be like, oh my God, we did it again. It's great. So thank you all for being here. Obviously, we could not do it without all of you. It would be dumb to throw a con with no audience and no speakers and no sponsors. So we really appreciate the fact that you are all here. So let's get to wrapping up. Our sponsors, we are so grateful for their support. We have a couple different levels of sponsors this year and our in-kind sponsors. So I'm not going to go and list them all off. Everyone here can probably read, but we are just really grateful for their support for the con. We have many of these folks have supported year after year, and it really means a lot. Top line numbers. So we had this year 45,407 lines of code in the badge. We had 136 submissions to the technical track CFP, far more than we've ever had, and the quality keeps going up. So keep it coming, you guys. It's awesome. We had 42 accepted sessions of those 136 and 68 total speakers, which counts those that are in the Career Village and in the CISO Village. I want to call in big thanks to our 74 volunteers. Volunteers, would you raise your hands? Volunteers. These folks show up at what is colloquially known as ass o'clock on Friday morning, and they will be here quite late tonight breaking everything down. So we could not run it without all of you guys. Thank you so much. And this year we had 1,894 and then some attendees. That's you guys. Thank you so much. Those are all the folks that checked in, and I know there were a couple of people that were like, we know that they're here, but they haven't checked in, so that's why that plus is there. And you guys bought all the merch yet again. Love you. If you missed out, we do have some on our store, so come to our online store if you want some t-shirts. This is my cat Jack in his Halloween costume. He didn't like it very much, but I thought it was cute. I'm going to turn the time over to badges for briefly. Come on up. There was a talk about badges this morning, so hopefully you guys caught that too. But yeah.
I'll just note that the talk was recorded, so if you want some hints and some things to do with your badge afterwards, there's a great start there. But we're also going to publish some stuff on GitHub. We plan on publishing the source code as well as some tutorials and some other things, not just for that badge, but also for the kids badge, for anyone that got that as well. It's hopefully a great learning opportunity for you guys to explore. I also want to just really plug the Discord channel under CactusCon, Breaking Badge, Hardware Hacking. If you got any questions about it, we'll be checking it throughout the year. And as you guys play around with it, please ask questions. Lastly, again, thank you to all the volunteers, Randall, Brandon, Kevin from Badge Pirates again, as well as several volunteers that help bag badges, pack everything up. Really appreciate it. Awesome job. Two last things there for next year to encourage you guys to hack on your badges. Kevin from Badge Pirates is offering a bounty and a special prize of up to 2 badges, 2 winners basically, of a special badge for the people that publish the most awesome thing they could do with their badge from this year. So please take advantage of that. And last but not least, I'm going to turn it over to Rockerco Carter for just a quick minute to talk about, he did all the code in the kids badge this year, and so he's going to talk a little bit about what he did and we learned.
So what I learned on the kids badge is about the variable, what was it?
You remember?
No,
adding to variables?
No, it's not that.
Just keep talking.
It's the variables that you can, it's something in, but basically it causes it so you can, it's the permanent memory.
Oh, NVS.
Oh, NVS variables, so you can have permanent memory, and that's how I made the LEDs stay on, and also with because there's a special mode once you do all the stations. That's how that works. So yeah, and I don't know what else to say.
Thank you all, and we'll see you next year.
Thank you all so much. All right. As we were all enjoying talks and panels and workshops, fierce battles were raging in the CTF. Let's have our CTF folks come up and give away some prizes.
All right, thanks. All right, before we get started, a couple things. On behalf of Threat Sims, Red Team Village, myself, the team here, we really appreciate coming back again to run the CTF at CactusCon, one of our favorite events. We've been doing it for a number of years now. We also really wanted to shout out to the sponsors and everybody that provided prizes here for us today. We have some stuff to give away on both the kids side and for the main CTF. But first off, thank you to everybody that donated a prize. So we're going to go over the Kids CTF first. We have 3 prizes for the top 3. If you're here, please come up so that we can give you some gifts and some prizes. So in 3rd place on the kids side, we have Chaos Within the Calm. Are you here? Your daughter, or you come on up. So we have for you a CactusCon shirt and a challenge coin from Red Team Village. All right, second place on the Kids CTF, we have Sydney. Where's Sydney? They're not here? Okay, so we'll make sure Sydney gets some prizes. We have, again, a shirt, a challenge coin, and one of the kids' electronic badges that were available. So congrats to Sydney. And then, yeah, go ahead. Not a chance I'm getting this name right. So JW, wherever you're at, first place on the Kids CTF, are you here? Raise a hand. Oh, don't leave this one. So thanks to Fortinet, we had the Lego Space Shuttle for the first place prize. So congrats to JW. We will make sure that they get that, or I'll keep it. I don't know. No. So we appreciate everybody. This is the first time that we've done a CactusCon Kids CTF. We really appreciate everybody that just came out to talk about it, try to challenge, just sat down and learned a few things. Really, what we want to get out of this is people feeling like that they can try this out and without it being too overwhelming. So not only on the kids side, but on the main CTF as well. It was so much fun just hanging out with the kids today, walking them through some of the challenges, just seeing, they get the same excitement as like I do when I solve some of these challenges. It was awesome to see. So next up, onto the main CTF themselves. We have 3 prizes again for the top winners, and all 3 teams cleared the scoreboard. ASU Hacking Club, which is 3rd place, they cleared the scoreboard, I think, with about 20 to 30 minutes to go, something like that, right towards the end of the day. So in 3rd place on the main CTF, we have ASU Hacking Club. So the whole team, everybody, whoever's a part of it, come on up. So we have a few different prizes here from, I think, Hack the Box. We have shirts, we have giveaways, a whole bunch of different things here. So thank you for participating, and hope to see you again coming back. So ASU. So 2nd place here, this one was a little bit of a heartbreaker with Stellar, the 2 folks that are part of that. They were in the lead for a little bit here, and they got caught up on one of the challenges. Got edged out by Shellfish at the end, but in 2nd place we have Stellar. So the 2 folks from Stellar, come on up if you are here. Thanks, guys. And then for the 1st place on the CactusCon CTF, we have Shellfish team who rocked through all of these challenges. And not only do they have, some shirts, some giveaways from some of the sponsors here, there's also some black badges in there from CactusCon. So Shellfish, please come on up. So that's it for us on the CTF. Thanks for everybody that stopped by to try a challenge, to chat, to learn a little bit about it. We hope to be back again next year, and appreciate again all the sponsors that donated prizes. Thanks.
And guys, that's it. I've always said we got to make these closing ceremonies shorter, and my gosh, this year we did it. A couple of last little notes. We have a lost and found. If you've lost some things and would like to find them, they're up here. Please check to see if you have your driver's license. We did find one of those, so just take a look and see, make sure you've got yours. There is a badge recycling. If for some reason you want to recycle your badge, which your choices are your choices, don't throw it in the garbage. Throw it in there's 2 badge recycling bins. There's one near the front door here and one near the back, and that way we can keep all that stuff out of landfills. And of course, thank you. Thank you for being here. Like I said, we couldn't have a con without people coming and enjoying it and being part of our community. I truly think this is one of the best con communities out there, and I'm just grateful for all of you. Stay tuned. Next year is our 15th anniversary, so we'll be, yeah, I cannot believe it. We'll be getting our learner's permit and almost ready to drive. So keep your eyes out for that. We'll be doing a couple special things probably for that big number anniversary. Thank you all again so much. See you next year.